What's up, you guys? Travis here. Today I'm going to do a Garagistic seat bracket on my E36. I have one in there already, but it's pretty janky. I'll show you that when I get it out. This one's a really nice piece. Nice aluminum that they CNC'd. It has all kinds of brackets on it, so you can get your seating position exactly where you want it. And that is what I'm in need of. I'm hoping I can sit a little farther down, get a little better center of gravity in the car. So I'll start taking this other one out and I'll show you what's up with that. All right, as you can see, I got the seat out now. This is the old bracket that I had, planted one. That's the brand of it. Get it on Amazon. I think these are the ones that everyone's been looking for, but it's a little janky. As you can see, I had to make some stuff to hold it onto the seat. It works. Not really great. I'm hoping that these other ones can be a little bit more solid. They should be. I don't know, see why they wouldn't. Hopefully they let me sit a little lower too. I don't know. Anyway, let's throw the other ones in there, see what we get. Don't mind the dirt, it's a drift car. It's not a big deal to me. So these are in here. They're a little weird. I think it's because these vents maybe need to be taken out. I don't know. Or I'll just have to cinch them down. I think that's probably what's gonna have to happen. Same with this side. It kind of fits in between. Kind of doesn't. Probably just gonna have to cinch them down. What I'm gonna do is probably throw a couple bolts in here, get that old bracket off, and put the seat in here, see if I can get my seating position right. So let's try to take the other one off of that other seat. Okay, so I neglected to note the fact that I had my harnesses on this bracket. This is for like the seatbelt that they usually do. So I think what I'm gonna do, which is not legal for competition, but I'm not competition driving this car. I'm just gonna drill some holes and then bolt this to it. Should be fine. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, got those holes drilled. Obviously, you could see I was having a bit of a struggle. We need some new drill bits, that's for sure. Got into the seat a little bit, not gonna lie, but it's fine. It's all bolted together. It's gonna do the same thing as the other ones did. So now let's get the seat in there, get my position figured out, and go from there. All right, let's get the seat in there. See if I can figure out where I want it. I already have kind of a good idea because they had, this seat, this Prisma seat, this NRG one, doesn't really let you go too far back. It kind of hits this B pillar, the corner of it. So, hopefully just trying to get it lower center of gravity. So let's see if I can try to get this thing where I need it. Okay, I had to take this thing all the way out because it was really hard to see where I was trying to put these. Kind of got an eyeball where I wanted it. Just had to stick them underneath. Up in there. See the bolt heads. Could not do that while I was in the car. There's no way. So, got an eyeball. I'll put it back in there. See if I got it right. If not, then I'll have to jimmy around with it. Yeah, this is kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. But we're getting it. Well, I've played around with this thing some more off camera, and what I found out is that I'm gonna have to bolt this whole bracket in first and then put the seat on and then try to fish my fingers underneath here and find the hole, because I can't get anything in here to tighten this with the seat in the way and installed. And same with back here, the bracket can't fit a bolt in between there. So, and I also can't make this thing push any forward with these other slots, you know, so I can maybe try to get in one in here, because this little hump here is right in the way, and that is part of the transmission tunnel. Can't do anything about that. So plan F. Hopefully we can get this thing to work. I'll come back when I have it all installed. Well, all back together. Got my harnesses thread back through the seat. Oh, I guess I didn't even show. I have a harness bar. It's like a universal one. It sucked to put together. The bolts that came with it were not the right thing, because, you know, universal and E36 specific apparently don't match. So anyway, got it all in there. Looks pretty cool. You know, aluminum. It's all in there. Yeah, I had to do the thing where I slid my hand underneath there and tried to find the hole for the seat bracket. It worked out. I'm a bigger guy, so it was not the easiest thing in the world. So, oh, also, I'll get in here and I'll show you. My other seat bracket pushed me closer to the trans tunnel. You can see the indent where the seat was before. There was a bit of a gap. And before I was sitting a little bit more straight up with the steering wheel. Now I'm a bit offset. Not sure how I'm gonna like that, but I guess we'll just have to drive it and see. I don't think it's gonna be too big of a deal. But one thing I have noticed compared to the other one, which is actually what I was trying to get, is I sit a lot lower. I mean, you're not gonna be able to tell because I really didn't show before and after, but regardless, I sit a lot lower. Before, I think it was maybe up here. Now I'm down here for eye level. Well, maybe about here. I can see plenty, that's for sure. I can tell you that much. So anyway, I think that's gonna do it for us. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching me struggle through putting this seat bracket together. Probably shouldn't have been as hard as it was, but shit happens. Anyway, I'm not really sure what my direction for this channel is gonna be. Obviously, I put up some videos of me drifting at Spirit Peaks Raceway. I want to try to get to other tracks because I know being at one track can be super boring. You guys have seen it. You guys know how I drive there. Granted, I haven't done any tandems, which will obviously be the next step. And I just need to find people to drive with. So if you guys watch this video and you're there, hit me up. I'm down to drive. You want to be in my door, cool. I can give you good leads. You want me to be on your door, cool. I can follow the hell out of you. At least I could try to anyway. I don't want to tuck my driving up too much. So anyway, I'll give you guys a video about this car and everything that's been involved in it, all the parts I've put on it, stuff like that. That would be a pretty cool video. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle. Till next time. Peace out, guys.